How would you describe a perfect vacation? Well, let me guess. Spending your precious time in the lap of Himalayas with snow-clad mountains and beautiful landscapes. Sounds amazing, right? Well, now who doesn't crave for it? And with ongoing COVID-19 situation, we do think of traveling to such scenic places more often. Hey guys, I'm Neha, a travel vlogger on YouTube, and today I'm here to share my journey of visiting beautiful Dharamshala, a famous hill station located in Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh state in India. And I must say, Dharamshala is a true pathway to discovering a real paradise on earth. Dharamshala is one of the most visited tourist places in India and quite famous for its Tibetan culture. And just 5 kilometers above Dharamshala is scenic McLeodganj, which is home to Dalai Lama after his exile and a popular spiritual hub with wide range of meditation centers in place. This place is very well connected with both road and air transportation with some of the major cities in India such as Delhi, Shimla, Chandigarh and so on, and over a period of time this hill station has become a favorite choice of backpackers and hippies to spend some relaxed leisure time. And we can't blame them, for when mountains call you, you got to go. In fact, adventure lovers also can visit this place to explore some famous trekking spots such as the Tryon Trek, and they can also try paragliding at world's famous beer building site located at just 2 hours drive away from Dharamshala. In fact, after watching this video, you can also check out my beer building paragliding video which I have recently uploaded on my channel, and the link is given below in description. Dharamshala and McLeodganj are ideal spots for a blissful weekend getaway from mundane city life. And from coolest cafes to most scenic viewpoints of mountain peaks, there are so many great places to explore here. HPCA Cricket Stadium. For all cricket lovers out there, they would surely love to go to Dharamshala at least once and visit this famous cricket stadium with stunning snow-capped mountain ranges in the background. The entrance is pretty affordable too, with only 30 rupees for one person, and this is a popular venue in India for hosting international cricket matches, including some very famous ones such as the 2020 World Cup Series and IPL matches. Located in Kangra Valley and surrounded by scenic backdrop of Dhauladhar Mountains, this is also one of the only two stadiums in Himachal Pradesh and was built in year 2003. After visiting the cricket stadium, you can next visit tea gardens located nearby, and this is quite a beautiful place with stunning tea plantations landscapes. Kangra Valley district of Himachal Pradesh is quite well known for its natural green landscapes and stunning mountain peaks. These scenic tea gardens are amazing indeed to visit, and you can spend some time here for clicking beautiful pictures and to also soak in the vibes of nature's beauty. Plus, since we Indians have a great chemistry with our morning chai routine, hence visiting this place is totally worth it. Dal Lake. This is another famous tourist place to visit. Dal Lake is a beautiful lakeside located in Dharamshala and surrounded by deodar forest around it. And although this lake is quite small, but the quiet and peaceful surroundings here makes it very popular amongst leisure travelers. There is no entrance fees to visit, and you can spend some time here for photography. Also, to make the most of your trip, I would highly recommend you to visit Dal Lake in September because the annual fair festival of Dharamshala is held here every year and you can participate as well. War Memorial. This was built to commemorate the loving memory of those brave soldiers who fought for India and gave up their lives to protect our country. The War Memorial is surrounded by pine forest of Dharamshala and lush gardens. And right in the center of these walkways, you can observe 3 huge panels of black stones with names of soldiers engraved on it to preserve their memory. The entrance tickets here will cost you only Rs 20 per person, and you will also find here a children park and a small cafe to spend some leisure time with your friends and family. Nadi Viewpoint. Now this was my super favorite place to visit, and it's a perfect spot to enjoy this gorgeous view of Dhauladhar mountain ranges at such a close distance. You can visit this place for a brief walk in a peaceful environment, so close to nature, and to also capture some wonderful pictures along your journey. Hi guys! and I'm at this spectacular viewpoint. It's called the famous Nadi viewpoint in Dharamshala, and just look right behind me. It's pretty deep and very beautiful. So I'm really enjoying my time here. I'm going to explore this place and see. I've made some new friends also here. That's Kush. Hi Kush. How are you?
I'm fine.
And his friend is also here. What's your name? This short trail will provide you with a spectacular view of mountains and views of this deep valley along with Nadi village located close by are superb too. And yes, you may also find an opportunity here to interact with locals of the town. Magic View Walk. Now, due to bad weather conditions, I couldn't complete the ever famous Triune trek, which usually takes up to 5 hours and is ideally good for beginners. So instead, I decided to go for this slightly easier route, and this one was the Magic View Walk in Dharamshala. And trust me, the views even on this trek were quite amazing. So, just like me, if you're not able to go for trekking, this easy route is highly recommended to explore. Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. I'm doing this short trek today to go till Galu village and explore some nice places around Dharamkot in Dharamshala. This is apparently the first time I'm going to do this short trek, and just look at the view behind me. It's so amazing and I really look forward to my day. So yeah, it's like so this is my route and I'm gonna complete it and get back to you soon. Cheers, bye. Just like the Triune trek, the starting point for this route also begins from Dharamkot village, where you can easily find cab drivers and local guide who might charge you around 200 rupees or even lesser price to guide you through this and will help you get there. And once you're done with the trekking, you can spend some relaxed time at this cool urban hippie village called Dharamkot. Dharamkot is located very close to McLeodganj, about 15 minutes drive I would say, and there is something charming about this place which connects you with spiritual vibe of Himalayas and positive energy of local folks. This village is highly visited by expats from different European countries who often spend time here for meditation and early morning yoga routine. And if you're lucky, you may also observe here some beautiful mountain birds and farm animals. Do stop by and spend time at Trek and Dine Cafe located at Dharamkot, which was a small and nice place to visit, and you can try here bhaksu cake, which was quite a famous Tibetan delicacy of Dharamshala. McLeodganj Tibetan Market and Namgyal Monastery. McLeodganj is a famous suburb in Dharamshala and was originally established in mid-1850s as a British garrison under the British East India Company after the Second Anglo-Sikh War. Today it has become a major center for study of Buddhism and Tibetan culture in Dharamshala. The headquarters of Tibetan government in exile is also currently located here, which makes it even more popular amongst tourists. You can visit the famous Tibetan market here to check out some cool handicrafts and other souvenir items, and at the end of this market you can visit Namgyal Monastery, which is home to Dalai Lama. Please note, currently due to COVID-19, all monasteries are closed in Dharamshala. Next, you can visit Bhaksu Waterfalls, which is located about 2 kilometers away from McLeodganj, and it's a famous tourist site to visit with your friends and family. The waterfall here originates from Dholadhar Valley, which is a religious site to visit, and the Bhaksuna temple is also located here within close proximity of waterfall. Hi guys, I'm here at Bhaksu Fall. This is one of the most famous touristy site in Dharamshala, and I have to take these long stairs, climb all the way up to get a glimpse of the waterfall. So I'll come back to you soon once I'm done with my trekking. Cheers everyone! St. John Church. Built in 1852, this is one of the oldest church in India dedicated to John the Baptist. St. John Church is pretty well known for its neo-Gothic style architecture, Belgian colored glass windows, and this is also the resting place for Lord Elgin, who served as Governor General and Viceroy of India in year 1861 during the British Raj rule. Shiva Temple. This is historical temple of Lord Shiva, who is deeply worshipped by Hindus as a creator of universe, and this is a great place to visit indeed, with vibe of positive energy on mind, body and soul. Last but not the least, I would highly suggest you to explore some famous cafes of Dharamshala such as Jimmy Italian Kitchen, which is a top favorite choice of locals and quite a nice place for yummy food and great ambience. Likewise, you can also check out Cafe Illiterati, which is quite well known for its collection of books, delicious desserts, and spectacular views, should you find a table outside, of course. Well, as it is rightly said by Dalai Lama, once a year go someplace you've never been before. And I seriously can't agree enough on this after visiting Dharamshala. And you must also visit this place for at least once post pandemic, of course. I hope you find this video useful. If you like this content, please hit the like button and do also subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Take care.